this session, let's see how to create a new concept in VocBench. Access the project that you would like to edit from the top left. Click on Access and click on Data. Here you see that I have a warning that no concept scheme is selected, so the creation operations are disabled. In order to edit the data and to create a new concept, you have to select a concept scheme. So click on the Scheme button and select one concept scheme, switch back to Concept, and now you don't have the warning anymore, so you're able to create a new concept. If you would like to create a concept on the top of the hierarchy, so a top concept, click on the first button from the left, Create Concept, and add the label. So for example, it's going to be Test Concept. Select the language. You can select it from the list. I will leave it now in English. And then what you can specify is the URI, the unique resource identifier of the concept. If you leave this field empty, the concept will have an automatically generated random URI, which will be a set of alphanumerical characters, and the system will make sure that it's unique and it's not repeated in any other concept. Otherwise, if you would like to assign the URI yourself, you can also type it in the field 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the system will also check if there is no repetition, there is no duplicate URI with other concepts. Now I will leave it empty. The concept scheme that you selected is by default displayed. If you would like to also add another concept scheme or switch between concept schemes, you can also do it from here, the top right button. You can select the available schemes. If you would like to add, because the concept belongs to multiple schemes, or if you would like to switch between the schemes. Now I added the label, selected the language, I leave the URI field empty, and I have my concept scheme selected, so I just push on OK. And you will see on the top the new test concept that is just created. You can see that in the display, the concept is still written in green because it's not validated yet. And if I click on the second button, Create Narrower Concept, then it's going to create a child concept to this one. So test child is going to be the label. I again select the English language. I leave the URI field empty, so it's going to be automatically generated. And I click on OK. So now you can see that already in the browse, in the tree view, it displays the two concepts in a hierarchy, in a broader, narrower relationship. And if I select the child concept, you will see also that the URI is automatically assigned and that it has the broader term of the test concept. What other details do I see? We have the creation date, which is an automatically applied timestamp of the moment when I created the concept. And we can see the label, and then later on we can also add other details.